today we are rescuing this 1984 F-150. It's a 302 truck, which is cool, but the cooler thing about it is it's Mary, his grandmother's truck. She passed away back in 2011, a long time ago, and we're now getting to it to get the truck out of here, save it from the woods, and restore it, and make Mary a little daily driver or shop truck. So this will be really cool to save a vehicle, and also really cool to do something for Red.
Oh, how sweet.
There's a cutlass up there. I found this beautiful piece of machinery. Had me some Daytons on this thing. Big 400 small block. He's skating on Daytons.
Hours later.
Are you sure you want another Ford truck?
Yeah.
So this thing's been sitting since 2008, so almost 20 years. See what we're working with here. It is 302 truck, now what you saw. Yeah. Oh boy. So this thing's been sitting what looks to be a long time with no carburetor on it. The bolts is rusted, so it's been a very long time. You have any idea when they took the carburetor off of it?
Not long after it was parked.
So like 15 years with an open hole in the top of this motor. It may be locked up, but I mean, it seems to be pretty dry in here. It's been raining and it ain't wet. What the hell was that? Well, okay, so what we'll try to do first is see if we can break it loose, or see if it's stuck. If it's stuck, I'll try to pour some transmission fluid in it, let it set, and try that. By the way, we have these koozies. We just got them in like 4 years ago, and with every purchase of a shirt or hoodie, I'll give you a free koozie. We don't have an online store yet, but you can find me on Facebook or Instagram. My name is Virgil Clontz. Message the Nightmare Instagram or page, and I can ship you merchandise. We got stickers, hoodies, shirts, can gift hats, or anything. I'll put my logo on whatever you want. But hit me up if you want these koozies. Yeah, so when you find something sitting out like this, especially with the carburetor off, it's best to try to break it loose, because if it's stuck, you're gonna mess something else up, and if it does turn loose and it's got a cylinder full of rust, it's gonna break a ring. So we don't want to do that, hopefully.
Oh gosh.
Hopefully it just comes right loose. I'm trying to shock it.
Oh, look at that snake.
That don't scare me. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck big as shit.
Put some ass in it.
Yeah, it's stuck big time, Red.
Poopy sack.
I'm trying to keep working it left and right. Oh, that thing's stuck. Yeah. It's gonna break a boat off the crank, I believe. If I had a big pipe, I might be able to get it loose. God. I found something. Get out of here. The tree get out of my damn way. Nope. She broke loose.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Look here. Just keep working it back and forth. Not that way. Yeah, it moved. It's savable. Oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
Keep working it back and forth. Oh yeah. $20 with no damn carburetor on it. My fingers. God damn. Oh yeah, she'll start up. Then it's tightening up. Can't keep a good 302 down like that. I was pretty worried at first. And then you have to put no transmission fluid in it. See here? Clean the cylinder wall. Do not break the ring. Wash on, wash off. See, I'm a young person, but I've gained a lot of knowledge from being poor. When you're poor, you learn how to fix shit. Edelbrock carburetor, good enough for this thing, especially just to get it running. And we'll pour a little gas down the top of it. Try to fire it up, you know.
Did you check the oil?
I'm going to check the oil. So there's a lot of vehicles on the property, so we gotta go through a bag of keys here. I think it's this one. It's definitely this one.
Oh, yeah. What's this? Wait.
So after like 30 minutes of trying a whole bag of keys and having people bring us those keys, I looked down as I was about to hot wire it, steal it. It was laying in the cigarette thingy. That's true.
Oh, nice.
Yep. So they had said this thing needed a key switch, and I was walking around here and stepped on this solenoid. Looks like someone's changed solenoid a long time ago on it, because this one's new about 20 years ago. I checked the oil on it. Oil looks surprisingly great. Got our carburetor on. I'm just going to pour a little top in the top of it. This thing does have a manual fuel pump, so I'm going to let this squeeze out, see what's in the gas tank before I hook it up to that carburetor. But let's throw a battery in it and see what happens. If it needs a key switch, we'll just have to dump it over, I guess.
Oh, boy, still got some life in it.
Yeah, it was stuck solid.
There's hope, you know, for it to sit there that long.
Alright, so I found the coil laying around in that truck, or in the truck. And swap them out, see what happens. See, film on this shit. Screwdriver right there. It'll be jumping fire. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're getting hot fire. See? It may run. By golly. Hell yeah. I'm right here smacking. Psst, 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 psst. A little bit more. She's thirsty, little fella. I think it'll start. Yeah, maybe about has to. Just got the compressions. There she is. Hang on a minute. Some bitch is gonna start. I said,
It's been so long.
what the hell? What's going on?
It's coming out of hibernation.
Yeah, it's a little sleepy. Oh, look at me, it's hot. It's very hot. Very, very toasty. Okay. Let me tighten that ground wire down. Very not good. We had some gas. It run there just for a split second. Hear it out the back here. Sweet. Alright, we'll come back with tires and a full tank of gas.
What's up, brother?
Hello. In the last clip, you've seen us get this thing started and running. Well, it was raining, so we left it, but we're back with wheels and tires and more fuel and a little pump. And today's Mary's birthday. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
I'll tell you too.
Bug. Boots.
Look at you, NASCAR.
Huh?
NASCAR team. Meow, 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 meow.
Where's the other one?
On the bottom.
You didn't even get this one all the way off.
I know, it's yours. That's broken loose for you.
There we go.
Right, now, got your shit out of it. There you go. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Oh, breath.
Good job. Congratulations, Mary. You did a good job.
I appreciate it.
Alright, so the last lug nut decided to round off. It is rested pretty good. So you typically need to spray that with some PB Blaster. Well, I don't have none with me. I left it in the garage. So I'm gonna drive a little bit smaller socket on it. It sucks to kill a socket. It also sucks to drive back to town. Stand pretty all the way. Okay. We'll do this socket. Get my thumb loose. Hell yeah. That's how you do it in the woods with no tools to mount the shit. Okay. Now that we got our wheels and tires on, it's time to get this thing out of here. I don't want to take a chance on what might be in that gas tank. We're going to get back to the shop and drop it, clean it out, or either get a new one. So I have come up with a scheme. SFI approved gas tank, ratchet strap in, a fuel line run up to a little 4 PSI pump into the Eldebrock. I'm a genius. We may catch the woods on fire. All right, so I got a zip tie holding the throttle cable on because couldn't find a thingy. Again, we're gonna fix this thing up nice, promise. Mary, go get it gas, see if it. You don't have to stomp it crazy, just see if it works. Just go all the way down with it. Let off. We're good to go.
Nice.
Hell yeah. Hillbilly engineering. What's mega wild about this truck, Mary's grandmother, her birthday was May 9th. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's really neat.
Well, she's giving you a gift, Red. Still loves you.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Happy birthday. Aw, you crying.
No.
Look at you. Happy birthday. Well, let's get this thing out here. Thanks, smooth as fine, but all right. I say you got you a good truck right. Also get a few little bugs out of it.
That's pretty sweet.
Hey, let's get it out of here. Let me cut that chainsaw that stump down. Well, you want to try to drop it in gear? Make sure it's got it.
Yeah.
Let's try the brakes first. That'd be good. I need a sharpen that chain.
How'd you cut your hand?
I don't know, I'll probably grab something with it. Nana boo boo.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, they're tight.